your lights. First 150 meters. On your marks. Here we go with the action division side, E1 4 heat in running our 2-mile course. Again, if you're just joining us, the boys will basically run the first mile and the 4th mile of the traditional course. That means they will be in the valley loop, do revolutions in the valley loop. And instead of continuing up the switchbacks, they'll make a left turn, head through the saddle. That's the pass between Poop Out and Reservoir. Then they'll get on to the back of Reservoir and run the last mile just like normal. So they will finish along the airstrip and up into the gauntlet. They'll head to the back of Reservoir, make a right turn, and then they'll be on the traditional side. And at the 300-meter to go mark, Providence with 5 scorers in the top 19. So our top-ranked team taking care of business here in the first heat. Valley Christian with 5 runners there already on the airstrip.
Great work. Great work, y'all. Great work. Keep it up, fellas. Keep it up, fellas. Finish all the way through. There we go. Finish all the way through. All the way through. Great job, y'all. Great job, y'all. Go ahead and get some water. Keep breathing. Keep breathing.
Cerr Christian now with 5 runners entering into the golf gauntlets.
There we go. All the way through. All the way through. All the way through. Here we go. Here we go. Get some water, y'all. Get some water, fellas. Get some water, fellas. Y'all do your best to keep moving. Keep moving, fellas. Y'all do your best to keep moving. Go get some water, y'all. Great race, fellas. Great race. Finish through, y'all. Let's finish. Let's finish. All the way through. All the way through. All the way through. There we go. Go ahead and get some water. Great race. Finish, y'all. Finish, finish, finish. Great job, y'all. Y'all go get some water. Keep moving. Keep moving. Keep moving. Great race, fellas. Great race, fellas.
So we're estimating the distance of this to be about 2.08 miles. Our winner was Ian Turk, Woodcrest Christian, 11:13. Ends of Temecula Prep second, 11:26. Pettiflor of Providence at 11:30. His teammate Flynn, 11:33. Fifth, Cosme of Paraclete, 11:34. Gucker of Crossroads 6th, 11:36. Kubler of Valley Christian of Cerritos, 11:41. 8th, Urbina of Providence, 11:44. Luce, Woodcrest Christian, 11:48. And then 10th, Butcheroo of Crossroads, 11:59.
Finish all the way through, y'all. Finish all the way through. Come on, keep working, keep working. There we go, go ahead and get some water, y'all. Y'all do your best to keep moving, okay? Go ahead and get some water.
Our team score is fluid still now. This is a 4-division meet, so only the first 4 qualify automatically. Right now we have Providence firmly in control at 33, Woodcrest Christian with a solid effort, second at 52, Valley Christian of Cerritos at 66, and Crossroads at 74. Right now currently Ontario Christian in 5th at 100. That is unofficial without all of the runners finishing, but to give you an idea, it looks like Providence, Woodcrest Christian for sure, Valley Christian and Crossroads in 3 and 4. There is no fastest 5th place team in this division since there's 4 heats. Individuals, they have to place in the top 6. So if their team does not make it and they are in the top 6 in their heat, then they will get to move on to next Saturday's championship final.
Great job. Great job. Great. Finish all the way through. Finish all the way through. There we go, my man. Great. Go ahead and get some water, my man. Go ahead and get some water, my man.
And here we go now with the second heat in Boys Division 5.
Great race, y'all. Great race.
In this division, the top-ranked team in this race, Viewpoint, ranked number 2 in the division. They're the Gold Coast League champs this year. Very close battle with Windward. In fact, won it by just 1 point. They're the Bounce Sack Division 5 team sweepstakes champions this year. Had a very quick 85-47. That's an average of 17-10. And they were the California State Division 5 champions in 2019. Pacifica Christian, Santa Monica, the Liberty League champions. Sage Hill, the Academy League runner-ups. Flintridge Prep, the Southern Section champions in this division in 2019. St. Monica, the Santa Fe League champions. Linfield Christian, Cantwell Sacred Heart, Dunn, Newberry Park Adventist, Oakwood, Pilgrim, St. Matthias, Pius X, and Wildwood. Those are our teams in this race.
Stop!